math is changing. This is across the whole world, changing how we teach math. And instead of the teacher, again, dumping information in, the teacher is more the facilitator or the guide in helping students to, in a sense, discover why and how those algorithms work and what is the mathematical basis underneath that's helping them to use those and why those work and why the tricks work.
Let's say that again. The word is ratio. What's the word?
Ratio.
Let's say it really powerful. Ratio. Your turn.
Ratio.
All right. And has anyone heard this word before? Ratio.
No.
Okay. If you haven't heard the word, remember we're going to use our what?
Schema.
Our schema. All right. If you haven't, I want you to guess. If you have heard this word, talk with your partner about where you've heard this word. All right. Go.
What I like most about math class is how the teacher presents the thing and how we get to like work in a team and like solve problems all together, and like we learn different things by our team and how different like our teams explain it. Does that make any sense?
Do you know where he got the 4 fish from?
Yeah, because the predator needs one of those, and then each predator there's 3 other fish, so that's 4 fish already.
Math is real, and math is about the world, and so the problems that they're presented with are all real world situations.
Dr. Frog hopped 8 feet to the right and then 3 feet to the left. Bumble Frog hopped 9 feet to the left and then 1 foot to the right. Okay. I disagree because I think it's emotional and he'll fall apart.
I disagree with your statement because you can't make love when you're in the pond. That'd be too late.
I disagree with your statement. It's too much. That's too much. Is anybody going to do anything master?
Are we dividing it up?
I agree with yours because 7 is
I see this by all this equals 1,000. Yeah, equals 1,000 since there's one predator right here. We have to add that, and this, all of this equals 750. And
Go
we
ahead
need,
and circle. Circle which part belongs to the prey. So that part belongs to the prey.
yeah,
Okay.
and you have to add 3 since there's 3 for one predator, and you have to add 1.
CPM also does a lot of manipulatives, which comes right off of using bridges, which is what our K-5 curriculum is. And so the students already have some of that experience, and so taking that up to the next level is very helpful for them as well.
You got it. I think you can do it really well. Ooh, I like that, what Evie's doing. She's supporting his thinking.
Wait,
Oh,
no,
you
no, no.
have it.
Think about where did that 1 come from?
That one came from one predator.
Okay, now, What are you missing? One predator to what?
When I don't understand a problem, I either ask someone in our group to explain it more deeply, or I ask the teacher.
Another challenging part of this curriculum is that it's so different from how we learned math. So how adults learn math is we got 1,000 problems and there was no context, and all we did was that 1,000 problems over and over and over again until you know it. And the reason you may know a multiplication fact now is because you got in trouble for not knowing that multiplication fact. And now we're asking them to use real world situations where they're putting into context where they could potentially use it for a job or in real life, so that it cements their knowledge rather than just knowing it because they don't want to get in trouble.